10 hacks to grow your construction business. Construction is an ever-growing industry. Every construction company wants its business to soar high. However, a few things are needed to be considered while scaling your business from small to large, ranging from careful planning and network building to social media influence. Check out these hacks to boost your construction business growth, and the last one will change your life. So, let's dive in. 1. Quality is everything. Quality is everything, especially in an industry like construction, where the company literally constructs the products. It is totally possible to overlook the quality and fall for the promises of the large quantities. But make no mistake, quality is the real deal. At first, building a lot might seem more profitable, and you might opt for cheaper materials and inexperienced workers. But in the long run, the quality of your product makes a big difference. And the profitability of your services will ultimately depend upon the quality of your work. And remember, one bad incident is enough to ruin your reputation in the business circle. It could forever remain as an irremovable stain. So, never back down on quality. 2. Build a proficient team. Construction is a big business involving different kinds of jobs. So it is vital to have people for all sorts of work in your construction firm. The contractors alone would constitute a reasonable number of people in your team. When you include other professionals like designers, engineers, surveyors, and all the workers, the number will grow even higher. Now, a bunch of people with different skills is never a team. A team is a group of people with similar goals and motivations. The glue of solidarity keeps them closer and together. Now, it is not possible to supervise each and every one of them. At least it isn't worth your valuable time. So what you can do is turn yourself into a respectable leader, so that, as the captain of the company, you can inspire and lead your team to success. 3. Be up to date with industry trends. The next hack to grow your construction business is to stay updated with the latest construction industry trends. In a rapidly progressing world, any company that isn't innovating constantly can be categorized as a losing business. So, changes in the positive direction are vital for the business to flourish. Innovations pop up in every domain in the construction industry, like ripples in a pond. Construction companies should be aware of the latest trends in the industry. They must strive to accommodate them as soon as possible. Starting early in an emerging market can skyrocket your business. So be adaptable and ready to keep up with the changes in the volatile industry trends. 4. Build a strong network. Building a strong network is another tip for growing your construction business. Now, this one might look cliché in the professional world. Nevertheless, it is true. A strong network can motivate and shower you with opportunities. In a strong network, you and the connected people will grow together and share successes. However, be wise while choosing your network. Don't be fooled by scammers and schemers who will push you to an abyss of loss. You can build a strong network by attending luncheons, conferences, fundraising events, tournaments, and other business gatherings. Make sure you let everyone know your presence. 5. Provide great customer service. It goes without saying that a company should provide excellent customer service. Customer satisfaction should be your top priority. Every construction business owner must request feedback from their customers and improve their services accordingly. If project owners are satisfied with your work, they'll share it within their circle. This provides you with further business opportunities and increases the cash flow. But if they are dissatisfied with your work, it could adversely affect your business. Also, word of mouth is a compelling advertisement for your work in a large-scale business like construction. So, prioritize client services to earn a good reputation for your business. 6. Choose being proactive over being reactive. Being reactive and excessively emotional about the results in the business should be a big no. Businesses can be volatile. so one should be prepared to face adversities as well as big fortunes. Significant gains can make one lazy and oblivious to the dormant risks in the business, and big losses can disturb one's reason. The general contractor or the project manager should be calm and reasonable in the face of losses and wins. The business and investment decisions should be taken only after substantial consideration. Our advice is to hone your calmness and transparent thinking amidst chaotic business environments before it's too late. 7. Marketing and ads. Business has only two functions: marketing and innovation. The famous Czech writer Milan Kundra's words tell us all that's needed to know about marketing: that it is crucial. Marketing is essentially what lets the project owners know about your business. Your marketing strategy should be in such a way that it doesn't feel like marketing at all. Honestly, nobody likes to be outplayed. So, it is essential that you frame your advertisements so that it pleases the potential customers. Brand awareness is another highly effective marketing strategy. The easier your company is to remember, the higher the number of prospective customers. Make sure you use digital marketing and content marketing techniques to spread your company's luster across the oceans. 8. Website and social media presence. The website and social media can grow the construction business in an accelerated manner. These days, it has become an unwritten rule for every company to have a website. Rightly so. People all over the world can get an overview of what your company is doing and can contact you easily using a website. A social media platform also serves the same purpose. But it does more. You can advertise your products and services, build strong networks, and strengthen your team through social media. Social media is crucial, especially these days, for transforming a small business into a larger one. It also aids you in having a growing target audience in your niche. 9. Invest in latest software. Apps are game changers, and they are everywhere. Yes, even in a construction job. What took days and weeks using pen and paper for projects can now be done within seconds using tailor-made software. Isn't that awesome? So why hold back from investing in the latest software? The initial costs and the overhead expenses for maintenance will surely return to you as large profits someday. Also, the software will get more sophisticated year by year. Make sure you have experts in your team who are also getting sophisticated year by year. That will widen the profit margin. 10. Invest in your business. Last but not least, invest in your own business. Invest in more efficient employees, better construction materials and technology. Skilled labor and better construction materials will increase the gross margin of profit in the long run. But the employment of skilled workers in the construction project should not lead to mingy working capital. So, construction companies should invest in their business for a prosperous future. Alternatively, you can also grow your construction business by subscribing to our construction project and tender tracker database for hassle-free lead generation. If you got value from this video, I will really appreciate it by you asking a comment down below, or even telling me what I have missed out in this video that you want in the future so I can make it for you. And don't forget, we are following people as streams every single week on this channel. If you want to hear what happens to people we help, hit that alarm button so you get the latest update as soon as the upload button is hit. Good luck, everybody.